Today I've got something a little bit different to show you. It is the Tinker Tar. It looks like a really cool guitar or ukulele because you can tell it's really short, but it's not either one of those. It's a guitar with just one string. So we're going to open it up and we're going to see if this thing is even worth playing with, if it's only for kids, if anybody can have fun with it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, you get 2 extra strings, a strap, and a music book. And let's take a look at the guitar itself, or the Tinker Tar, sorry, the Tinker Tar itself. And yeah, this feels like it's made out of some kind of wood, like a particle board or something. I don't think it's plastic, because I can see like a wood grain in it here. And I don't know why the back of it is removable. We have a strap button here. We've got a strap button here, and we have one tuner because there's only one string, and it is very loose. So we can turn it and tighten it up a little bit. Okay. And, okay, to change the string, you have to remove the back of the Tinker Tar, which could be considered to be a little annoying, but it just uses regular old Phillips screwdriver or screws, so you have to have a Phillips screwdriver to do that. You remove the back, and then you could pull the string out from the back, and you won't have to remove these here because it can just go underneath it. Now you can see that the fretboard has numbered frets, so that you can just hold down one string and then strum it. So I need to see how we tune this thing. Does it say on the instructions here? This just tells you how to change the strings. It doesn't say anything about tuning it. Maybe you don't have to. Tuning and maintenance tips, okay. It's got a cute little music book. You can see that it's tailored for kids. We recommend starting with an open string tuning of C. To tune a certain note, simply turn the knob to change the pitch. If you need help tuning, starting with the open string tuned to C. So you're going to need a guitar tuner. Luckily, I have one, but one is not included with this device. Okay, I've got one here that works. And so I'm just going to, it's a B. So I'm going to tighten it. Maybe I need to lower it. Well, hold on a second. Nope, there we go. Okay, it's on C. All right. So now let's try to play a quick little ditty. Let's see how this works, how to play it. You just put your finger on there. So let's play Mary Had a Little Lamb. All right. Well, that was easy. I think little kids would be loving this because there isn't a lot of dexterity needed for one string. So let's try to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Whoops. What do you think? I mean, it's not going to make your kid a rock star. Okay, well, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you could be a rock star with this. What do you think? Should I go on tour? After playing with this for a few minutes, I have to say that it's easy to fret. The action is actually really low, which is great for kids. It will mean that their fingers won't get sore when they're pushing down the strings. And you don't have to push very hard. There aren't any frets. It's just a non-fretted board, but you've got these numbers here, which helps you pick out the notes. So it's easy. The neck is very narrow for little hands. So it's easy to go back and forth. It's easy to slide and even pull off. I think kids will love this. Hey, they might get really interested in music with playing with this. So you've got a lot of the standard kids songs, Old MacDonald Had a Farm, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Row 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 Your Boat, Pop Goes the Weasel, London Bridge is Falling Down, This Old Man. I mean, things that kids will know. Itsy Bitsy Spider, Happy Birthday. So, and it tells you how to write your own songs, and you can write them down here. That's kind of cute. I think kids will love this little Tinker Tar. And it's super, super inexpensive. I bought this with my own money, and it wasn't even 20 bucks. It would be great for kids to get to learn to play a song on a guitar looking device, and they come in other styles too. There's one that's a dinosaur. So anyway, that's the Tinker Tar for you. I hope you enjoyed this really quick review. Let me know if, as an adult, if you would buy this and use it and play it. If you would, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, all that stuff. That helps my channel. And I appreciate it. And as always, I hope you have a great day.